tornado warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Dare County. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Chester, or 13 miles north of Belleville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Dare County. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and northeastern and east central Nebraska.